I believe the main reason for developing self-driving technology is that we expect it will lower transportation costs. We predict that an autonomous taxi would cost around 25 cents for each mile or about 60 cents for each kilometer in Australia. That's about half the cost of driving your own car, and it's also much cheaper than taking a cab. We believe this will grow the ride hailing market and provide many people, especially in places like China, with access to affordable travel from one point to another that they currently don't have. They will definitely be better. We believe that self driving cars will lower crash rates by around 80%. We believe that most city driving will become self driving because that's where most driving happens today in cities. You can picture it as a family with two cars going down to one car, and then a family with one car getting rid of it completely. If you live in a city, you probably don't need to have a car. You can use a self driving car to get to work every day if you want. Today, we will look at Tesla's recent earnings call, where they talked about their new ride hailing app and the big promise of their robotaxi service. We'll also explore what it means for China to approve Tesla's full self driving technology and the excitement about Tesla possibly allowing other car makers to use their SSD technology. Tasha Keeney will provide her expert opinion on regulatory challenges and how they impact the rollout of autonomous vehicles. Keep watching as we explore how Tesla plans to grow their robotaxi service, how efficient and profitable self-driving cars are, and more. If you love Tesla or have invested in it, you should pay attention to this. Please like this video, subscribe to Tesla Stock News, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any updates. Let's begin. In the recent earnings call, Tesla presented a model of their upcoming ride-hailing app. This app allows users to quickly book and pay for rides in Tesla's self-driving cars, showing us what the experience could be like. The app is designed with a sleek, intuitive interface that aims to provide a seamless booking process, including real-time tracking, expected arrival times, and transparent pricing. Experts believe that by 2027, around 66% of Tesla's value could come from its robotaxi service. This highlights how important self-driving ride-hailing is for Tesla's future growth and profit. This shows that a large part of Tesla's value could come from this service, highlighting how much it could change the company. The financial consequences are significant. Self-driving ride services could save a lot of money and help make more money. Eliminating the need for human drivers could greatly lower operating costs. Tesla could make money in new ways, like offering membership services for extra features, changing prices based on how many people want them, and selling data. Additionally, if Tesla's robotaxi service is successful, it could lead to major changes in the car business. It could speed up the move to electric and self-driving cars, creating new levels of safety, economy, and sustainability. This would improve Tesla's standing in the market and lead to better rules and facilities for self-driving cars. One main question comes up: why is China agreeing to Tesla's FSD important? If Tesla got permission for its full self-driving technology in China, that's a big deal. China has strict rules about data and maps, especially for foreign businesses. This approval shows that Tesla has met China's strict standards, allowing them to enter a large market. In other stories, there are reports that Tesla may lease its FSD technology to other car companies like Ford or BYD. If this occurs, it could bring in a lot of money for Tesla and help share their self-driving technology more quickly in the industry. Ford used to work with Baidu on self-driving car projects, but now it is concentrating on creating its own technology. This action demonstrates Ford's dedication to improving its skills in developing self-driving cars. As car companies move towards self-driving electric cars, they're exploring new ways to make money. This includes subscription services for self-driving features, ride services, and software changes. This change could greatly improve long-term profits in the car business. Now let's listen to some interesting views from Tasha Keeney, a well-known analyst and expert in self-driving technology. Tasha Keeney is recognized for her thorough study and innovative ideas about self-driving cars. She closely follows Tesla's progress and plans to share her thoughts on the future of Tesla's cyber-taxi service and their innovative methods for self-driving technology. Tasha says that robotaxis could make a lot of money, earning over 10% profit per car each year. This shows that self-driving taxi services can be very profitable once they solve important problems. The biggest challenge is reaching complete independence. Tesla must make sure their cars can manage many different situations on their own without needing a driver. This means addressing many specific situations to eliminate the need for a driver completely. Regulatory issues are another important issue. Understanding the different laws and rules is very important for the success of self-driving cars. In places like California, rules are very strict because the state cares a lot about safety and protecting personal information. California has strict rules that require thorough testing, careful reporting of when human drivers need to take over, and complete safety checks. These rules are meant to make sure self-driving cars are safe on public roads, but they also create big challenges for companies looking to use their technology. Even with these difficulties, rules for self-driving cars usually support new technology instead of getting in the way with red tape. This is good news for companies working on self-driving cars, because it shows that regulators are open to new ideas and back progress. Regulatory bodies are starting to see the benefits of self-driving cars. These benefits include fewer traffic accidents caused by human mistakes, better traffic movement, and reduced pollution. This hopeful attitude helps create a setting where independent technologies can be developed and used. However, the Tesla journey continues beyond that. Each day brings new discoveries with its highs and lows, making life more interesting. That is how Tesla keeps drawing more and more investors into its rabbit hole. Do you know who else is positive about Tesla? Today's sponsor is Seeking Alpha. When looking at Tesla's amazing growth, it's not just something to watch from a distance. If you're a fan of Tesla or want to find the next big stock, Seeking Alpha is the place to go. It has the latest information on Tesla, its stock prices, innovations, and news about Elon Musk. Ignore the negative coverage about Tesla from mainstream media. Seeking Alpha is the top news source online for pro-Tesla information. If you click the affiliate links in the description and buy something, our station may earn a commission. Thank you for your help. Tasha Keeney said that California's strict rules mean companies need to be very well prepared to meet these tough standards. For businesses like Tesla, this means spending a lot on safety features, doing thorough tests, and following strict reporting rules. Doing well in California can show that a company is capable of meeting high industry standards, which can help it gain wider acceptance. About half of U.S. states have laws that support the use and growth of self-driving cars. These states provide a friendlier setting with rules that help with testing and use, while still keeping things safe. States like Arizona and Nevada have become popular places for trying self-driving cars because their rules are less strict. These states usually have simple rules and easy steps for getting the passes needed and testing on public roads. The supporting rules in many states help promote new ideas and growth in the self-driving car industry. Companies can take advantage of these good conditions to succeed. See you next time. Let me know if you need any more changes. Musk's opponents may drive him out, or he may lose interest in running Tesla if he loses the vote, which may upset the company's leadership. This vote might determine whether Musk stays and whether Tesla keeps pushing into new technologies like artificial intelligence and robotaxis, so it's not just about compensation. Musk's motivations go beyond business, according to the argument against his departure. His goal is to stop Tesla's technology from being abused, particularly for military purposes. Some think Tesla may scale back its lofty objectives and concentrate solely on producing cars, instead of developing new technologies if Musk were to depart. To put it plainly, this vote is critical to the company's future, as well as to Musk's future with Tesla. Will Musk's vision cause Tesla to become more conservative, or will it continue to push the bounds of technology? This will be determined in part by the vote's outcome. The Tesla adventure doesn't end there, though. It's much more fascinating because every day is a new discovery with ups and downs. And that's how Tesla continues to attract more and more investors. However, are you aware of anyone else who is as optimistic about Tesla? That would be Seeking Alp.